Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jordan, CEO of AIO.Church, and I just wanted to make this post really quick. I'm here at the NRB conference, and actually I posted a post just a couple days ago about how we've been building a product for 5 years, and then now the product, AI has touched every single piece of it, and we've vibe coded the heck out of it using Claude Code. And number one, like, the love that this community shared on this project has been super, super encouraging and cool. And I want to encourage you that if you are working on a project right now, can AI build shippable code? Yes, it can. So keep going. It can do it. It's already there right now. But I want to share something with you real quick, just kind of like a little bit of magic behind the scenes, right? I was using Windsurf. I think Windsurf is an absolutely incredible product. And then I started using Claude Code in Windsurf with Opus 4.6. I'm telling you, Claude Code, hands down, one of the best, probably the best AI coding softwares on the planet right now. But the problem is, because of context engineering, it creates some issues when it comes to building shippable code. And so how did we do this? I just want to share it with you right now. Became a situation where we realized that we could develop faster if we actually built software that would help us wrap Claude Code in a way that it could develop not just this product, so it's dynamic, it can develop any product. But the point is, we actually built a custom IDE that wraps Claude Code, and that has been the magic that has been able to help us get shippable code to market. And we're trying to figure out, like, do we open source the IDE? Like, do we put it on market? I don't really know yet, but I wanted to share that with you guys, is and maybe consider that. Like, we built an IDE, but it's a full stack development platform, from planning to the actual code editing to the actual deploy process. Every single piece in between. It handles your Git repositories. We use DigitalOcean for our service, so it connects to DigitalOcean, does all of our server, environmental management, secrets, all that kind of stuff. But we built the IDE, and what happens is that every piece of that process, Claude Code has context and access to it, and then we built an MCP platform that allows Claude Code to really get into the nuts and bolts of the development process. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put more information about the IDE and post pictures, and I'd really love to get your guys' feedback. And again, thank you so much for your love. Man, if you are vibe coding a product right now, I want to encourage you to keep going, be an ideator. And that is the coolest thing about vibe coding, is it allows you to have an amazing idea and actually bring it to market in a way that's really, really practical. We had teams of developers in the beginning, and now we're able to do this. It's not that they lost their job, it's that we're able to do more. So I'd love to connect with you, throw it in the comments, and let's have a conversation, man. It'd be awesome.